Dallas, Texas, and wonder if you ever buy properties with mobile homes on them, and if so, how do you value them?
Well, I have bought a few. I'm not looking for them, Linda, so I don't buy any today. But when you buy a property with a mobile home on it, sometimes the mobile home has been denoted as real estate. Therefore, it's all like a house, even though it is still a mobile home. Sometimes the mobile home has a title, like a car, and it's not part of the real estate, and the land is totally separate. So how do I value them? You value the land first, and then frankly, I don't know how to tell you to value a mobile home because I don't know of any blue book to do that with. So honestly, it's probably going to come down more to cash flow than anything else, or just deciding what you think the land worth. If you can find some other sales like it, that would be great, but it would have to be kind of a mobile home community for that to be the case. If not, you're just going to have to throw a number at it and let the market decide what it's worth. You could always get it appraised, I guess. That might not be a bad idea if you're totally lost.